Hi, welcome to the final episode in the Detailing World Back to Basics series. Today we're going to be announcing the winners of all the fantastic prizes supplied by Dodo Juice. So I hope you've watched the entire series and you've learned something new or just improved your techniques along the way. Today I'm just going to give my car a quick clean. It's not been washed for about a month or so, so I've been waiting to shoot this video. So whilst we're cleaning that, we're just going to kind of like recap everything this series touched on. And I'm also going to announce all the winners of the 9 prizes supplied by Dodo Juice. So yeah, keep watching, see if you're a winner, and then watch to the end to find out how to claim your prizes.
What we do here is go back.
So the first prize then, which is the wheel prize, goes to Stephen Jones, and you'll be winning a bucket, a grit guard, a bottle of mellow yellow, some total wipeout all-purpose cleaner, mint merkin, and a large hog's hair brush. So well done, Steve. Watch to the end of the video and I'll let you know how to claim these prizes. So for the pre-wash bundle then, the winner is P2K, and you'll be getting a small detail brush, a bottle of iPhone snow foam, bottle of Crudzilla, the Snow Commotion foam lance, and also a bottle of Total Wipeout all-purpose cleaner. So yeah, well done P2K. So the winner of the wash bundle, which is the 2 buckets, 2 grit guards, a fuzzy hair, and the Born to Be Mild, is Mr. V Grum. So the winner of the Decon kit then, that is Simon Turnbull, and you'll be getting the Supernatural Tar and Glue Remover, the Dodo Juice Ferris Dweller, a couple of yellow plush mag fibres, a clay bar, some Born Slippy and some Tarmalade. So the winner of the drying bundle then is Niall Punch, whose favourite car is the Aston Martin DB9, and he will be getting a bottle of Dodo Juice Time to Dry, an orange plush drying towel, and also a Back to Basics drying towel for the wheels. So the polishing prize then goes to Snowy Alloway, and you'll be getting a blue roux, a extra soft buffing cloth, and a bottle of Dodo Juice Lime Prime. So the winner of the glass kit then is Brookie Ant, and you'll be receiving a bottle of Clayla Menthol and a Mint Merkin. So the winner of the trim kit then is Ross Fowler 20 on Instagram for sending in a picture of his M3 satin black wheels, and you'll be getting a bottle of Dodo Juice Futurama, bottle of Motley Blue for the metal cleaning, Tyre Romania, and bottle of fantastic plastic, and as well the applicators and cloths that you need to apply all of this. So yeah, let's crack on and get the rest of this done. final winner then of the hard candy wax, the finger foam, a couple of fantastic furs and a bottle of red mist is Ollie Hutchings. Yeah, we'll just finish this car off, get back in the garage, and I'll tell you all how to claim your prizes. Right, so that's the car all done then, so thanks very much for Dodo Juice for supplying all of these products, for sponsoring the entire series, and also supplying you guys with these fantastic prizes. If your name has been mentioned, then please send your details to us at detailingworldupload@gmail.com. You can also contact us through Instagram if you wish at detailingworldofficial. We do really need all of these details sent to us before the end of the month. That's the end of May 2020, just so we can get all the addresses and contact information sent over to Dodo Juice and get all the prizes sent out at once. If we don't have your details by the end of June, then the prize may be rolled over to the next winner or passed on to a charity or something like that. We've not decided yet. So yeah, please be sure to get in touch with us as soon as you can. If you've not won, don't worry, we've got a discount code for you from Dodo Juice. So just visit dodojuice.net and enter the code DWBB10 to get 10% off your entire order from Dodo Juice. So again, thanks very much for them for doing that. So if you've enjoyed this series, please make sure you smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing. If this is the first you've heard of this series, I'll put a link up here to the playlist to start you off from the very beginning. You can go back and watch all of these or watch them for the first time. Also, be sure to check us out on Instagram at detailingworldofficial. I'm on there as Randomly Set if you want to see all the behind the scenes. So yeah, once again, thanks very much to Dodo Juice. Well done to all your winners, and make sure you use that discount code if you are interested, and we'll see you in the next video.